Hello YouTube and welcome to my first bike check. Start up at the top, I have the United Nathan Williams grips. Very nice grips, nice and soft. I have the Eclat Ashley Charles signature handlebars. Nice and wide bars. I have the Exposure stem in white. Standard stock fit headset. Stock fit frame, forks, alienation front rim with standard spokes and hub. The tyre, I have a Fit FAF 20 by 2.30, which is a nice big tyre. And then moving on to the middle, I have the Eclat seat and seat post combo. Don't know if you can see that there. And then down here I have the exposure sprocket, which matches the headset. It's obviously a little dirty. I have the Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. It's a good chain, it's holding up well. Standard fit cranks, not too good, but they've lasted me nearly 2 years now, so it's alright. I have Eclat pedals that I just got yesterday, which I like because they're really nice and grippy. And then moving on to the back, I have the Cinema tungsten cassette wheel in white. It's a very good wheel, I like it a lot. And then moving up to the back tyre, I have the Fit FAF in 20 by 2.30 again, I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then I think that's about it for my bike. Hope you enjoyed my bike check. Hopefully more videos coming in the future.